Tolong, ikaw lang to. Ikaw na. Sino mga
Teka lang, magsulat sila.
Sino ba mga players dyan?
Players nyo.
Ito, kopyahin mo na lang. David. David Salon.
Asa ba yung David dito?
Ito, kami.
It's game time!
Kanto bro. Sino kanto lang to mo? Si...
Ano dito?
Hindi ako. Sa kanya ba?
Sino si Kumata? Sino lang?
Hold on. Sinusulat po yung pangalan.
That was the one earlier, yeah.
Sino to? Edwin?
Joseph Ward. Clock start. 3 points by number 29. Ronda, number 9. Pass to number 58 for 3 points. The move rebounded by number 29 of the blue team.
Christian ba? Ang number niya? 7?
Another 3 points, no good. Rebounded by number 9. 3 points. Estrada, number 7, good rebound. Backhand, no good, number 7. It's blue ball, said the referee. Number 25. Pinasa number 9. 29. Base, drag to the basket. No good. Good block shot by number 7. John, no good. Foul up. Another power move by number 24. And we have a foul. Foul on number 5'8".
Ito, maraming mga ito. Blue sa Padre, di ba? Yun.
Foul siya, no, ah.
15.
Si Publico.
Romel.
Romel.
Saan po ito kuya? Saan po tayo?
Ito. Iwan. So, personal foul. Check the crossman.
Basket.
Tapos ito. Team person.
Basket si John. 24.
Sino yun? Si John.
Yeah.
John Alfred.
John De Los Reyes.
Okay.
Rebounded by number 7, Estrada. Nagdala ng bola. Pinasa ni number 5. Moya, shoot no good. Got his own rebound. 58 for 3 points.
Publico, 3.
Publico, 3 points. Number 9, pass to 29. Down low, fakes, power move, block shot by number 7. De Los Reyes, We have a foul again.
Sino foul?
Foul number 7. Ron Estrada.
Malaki yata yung budget natin sa bricklayers ha. Kumuha kayo ng pang-radyo yung boses ko dyan. Sabi mo. May bodyguard pa mo. Bodyguard pa. Malaki yata yung budget natin sa bricklayers. Kumuha tayo pang-radio at announcer ha.
De Los Reyes. 24.
3, 4, master.
Hindi na makahinga dyan ha. Nag-ahabol ah.
2 for 2. John De Los Reyes, number 24. Number 9.
4-6 gets well. 4-6.
Marlon Broda. Ginadala ang bola.
So, hindi ka mag-score.
Looking to pass. Oh, nice pass. Back pass ni number 5 na Ray. Ray ball, says the referee. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to work. In and out. Rebounded by De Los Reyes, number 24. 24 dribbling the ball, pass to number 29. 29 for 3 points. 29, 3 points.
Shooter! Sige ah, galingan nyo dito ah. Hindi nyo na ako kailangan dito ah.
58. Publico.
Bagal mo si JJ.
Wala. Rebounded by number 2. Number 9.
First time ko makamit yan eh.
58. Pinasa sa number 9. Number 9 for 3 again. Dogo rebounded. John De Los Reyes, number 24. De Los Reyes, sinadalang bola. Looking for an outlet. Sabi niya, set up natin. Pass at 29. 29 for 3. 29. 3 points, Christian Silva. Number 9. That's number 2. Number 2 pass down low. Takes, shoots, no good. Rebounded by number 23. Michael Jordan of Jerusalem. Coming the bus. Substitution. Number 9 coming out, number 11. Ramos Manuel. 29, 24. June, back shot, no good. Rebounded by number 88.
Abel!
88. 316 for 3 points. No, 2 points not. Number 88. Ginawita na 3. Pinasa na number 316. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Started. Nice. Oh, papuntik na. It's a backboard violation. Blue ball. Pull-up shot, no good. Rebounded by number 7 for the great team. Number 88, ginagalang bola. He's looking. Passes to number 5.
You gotta announce it with John 3:16.
It's still a blue ball. 23, pass down low for John De Los Reyes. Power move, no good. We have a foul on number 5. Ray Coban. Shooting 2, number 24, John De Los Reyes. Basket. Last shot. Two for two for John De Los Reyes. Number 88. Bringing down the ball. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 5. Looking for an outlet. Pinasa, number 7 for 3, no good. Rebounded by John De Los Reyes. John, guarded by 88. Sabi niya, no, I can do this. Doesn't natin ang bola. Set up by the captain, John. Pass down low. Shoots. Black. Nice. Bang naman. Ganda naman nun ah. 2 points for number 11. Ramos. Let's look at the shot. Number 7 again for 3 points. Jaworski, no good. Rebounded by John, 316.
Jaworski, ha? Jaworski.
Jawok. Pinasa ni Jawok. Takes the 3. Drive to the basket, no good. Number 7 again. We have a foul on number 23. Shooting for 2, John, 316.
Dalawa yung number 7 lang. Yeah, may mga sabi pareho. Sabihin mo yung pangalan.
Baka sabihin, ba't ako?
It's a win. 1-6.
Yeah, pero nag-foul siya.
No good.
Huwag kang tatalon sa line. Huwag kang tatalon sa line. Huwag kang tatalon sa line.
Wala yun, no basket. Basket ah, walang basket.
Huwag kang tatalon sa line.
Ay, gusto niya tayo tumalun eh.
Oh? Huwag kang tatalon sa line. Sa line.
Violation by John, 316. No shots, said the referee. June Columbus.
Hoy, pwes tuloy yung mga pala eh.
Number 2 pull-up shot, no good. Rebounded by number 7. Number 88. 88 bringing down the ball. Paul. Pinasa kay Estrada. Estrada, nice pull-up shot, no good. Oh, naagawan ng bola. Estrada got the ball. Pinasa kay number 2. Rudy Distrito. Number 5. Rudy, no good. Gawa ng bola. Number 29. Cross pass. Take the shots by number 2. Estrada. Good rebound. John, 316. John, 316 all the way to the basket. Count it! Basket count.
Basket counts, fouls on 29.
Huwag kang tatalon
Foul
sa line.
number 29, Christian Silva.
Kaya huwag kang tatalon. Kamay mo lang, kamay.
Shooting.
Sub.
We have a substitution, rep. Number 9 for the blue team coming in. 58 and number 9 for the gray team. Violation for the blue team. One more shot.
Another call.
Basket. 3 points by John, 316. John De Los Reyes, number 24, being guarded, number 23, June. 2. We have a foul on number 7.
Si Estrada ba yun? Si Ronald.
Basket. Good. Down low shot by number 9. John, 316 to the basket. No good. Good defense by John De Los Reyes, number 9. Pass to number 2. Kapangpangan, number 2.
Yung last na tumira si Noria lahat doon.
Score is 6-20. Time left, 10 minutes and 19 seconds left. Lamang po ang blue. Steal by number 9, all the way to the basket. And we have a foul. Foul, John, 316. 15 foul rep for the gray team. First foul for John, 316. In and out. Number 9 on the free throw line. Wala. Rebounded by John De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes being guarded by number 9, June. 23, 2 points. Number 9, John, 316. Traveling violation, 2 many step by John, 316. Side ball. Leanza. 3 points by June. 3 points. Kalimbas, 3 points. Number 9, pull-up shot. No good. Very strong. Number 7, Estrada. Pass to number 58, fake the shot. 3 points again. No good. Good rebound. Oh. The blue team. 8 minutes and 19 seconds left. June Lumbas for 3. No good. Too strong. Good rebound by number 7, Joe. Pass to number 58. Too strong. Turnover.
Johnny!
Passes John De Los Reyes, guarded by 58, number 7. Columbus for 3. Drive to the basket. No good. John again. De Los Reyes, pull-up shot. Basket. 2 points. Number 24. De Los Reyes. By 9. Jaworski for 3. Airball.
May lone tree na yan.
Kulang sa pansit. Number 9 being harassed by number 9. De Los Reyes drive to the basket. Pull-up shot, no good. Estrada, strong rebound. John De Los Reyes. John 316, John 316. All the way to the basket, no good. And we have a foul call on number 2. Johnny Kapangpangan. First foul on number 2. Substitution rep. 29 coming in and number 8, 88.
Average mo, 50 na basket.
After the free throw.
Basket. Ronda coming in for number 316, John. Number 11. Pinasa kay number 9. Cross pass. 3 points. Short. Rebounded by John De Los Reyes. And we have a black. Foul number 7.
Estrada.
Estrada.
Gusto ka, di ba?
Yep. Ron Estrada.
Shooting 2.
Basket.
Basket. 4 minutes and 51 seconds left.
May timeout pa kayo, ha?
2 shots, 2. John De Los Reyes. Cross pass to number 58. 58 for 3. Short. Rebound by number 9. Follow-up shot. No good. In and out. Rebounded by John De Los Reyes. Pinadala ng bola si number 9. Pinasa. Cross pass. Look at the pass. Pass to John De Los Reyes. John. Pass to number 9. Number 9 for 3. Number 9. 3 points. Lanza. Oh. Nice steal by Lanza. Number 2. All the way to the basket. And we have a foul. No foul. No continuation, said the ref. Foul on number 9. Marlon Ronda. Yep. 16 fouls for the gray team, and we have 3 team fouls for the blue.
7 na 17.
Shooting 2.
Ron, take over na. Take over na.
Basket.
Basket, oh. Get it right. Nice one.
Tineke ka. Rebounded by number 7. Ronda. Dinadala ang bola. Naghahanap ng papasan. Pinasa kay numbers 5. Bang. No good. Rebounded by number 9 for the blue team. They said it's too late. Bringing down the ball. Pass to the captain, number 24. Oh, nice. Defensive by Ronda, number 9. Ng gray team. All the way to the basket. Oh! Ganda na sana. Good defense by the gray team.
Tingnan.
Kabangbangan got his own rebound. Good. Rebounded. Ayun. All the way. Ronda, number 9. 2 points. One minute and 46 seconds. Score is 33-10 in favor of the blue team. The Jerusalem Warriors. Number 9, Lanza. Lanza cross pass. Pass down low to Kabangbangan. Lanza for 3. 3 points, Lanza. Number 9, Ronda down low. Good defense by the blue team. By number, ayun. Still Gray.
Sobra na Martin.
Big by pull-up shot by number 7, no good. Rebounded by number 9. Time remaining is 35 seconds left. Score is 36-10 in favor of the blue team.
Last 2 minutes lang.
There's no shot clock. Kabangpangan. Pull-up shot no good. Ronda. 9. We have a foul. That's your ball game. First half is done. Shooting number 9, Ronda.
Basket. Basket pa? Kaya pa yan.
Kunin ko muna yung salamin ko para makita ko yung mga player.
Tama yung ginawa mo. Papasa mo. Umalis. Tira mo. Ang importante, huwag mong
Ibang epekto ng alak sa ibang tao. Durel, malakas eh.
Balik ako, bossing. May kukunin lang ako.
Nainom ka gabi? Nainom ka gabi? Gabi? Oo, nainom mo? Buwak ko kantoy. Buwak ko kantoy kay layo man, ako driver. Nag-ano sila, Tennessee. Wala din. Nanawag kong Jason para mag-kontak ko. Pagkasabay ko ba? Oo, wala naman. Nakaon lang siya dito. Ikaw? Wala ka? Duty ka na, duty. Wala. Wala.
Bakit?
Nine.